Hello viewers, morning greetings to you. I am Prashant Jain here with the solution of the amazing question, and the question is on your screen.
Here you see that in these equations the variables x and y with the difference of some numbers are in denominator. In order to solve such kind of the conditions, we need the certain assumptions, and the assumptions are as follows: 1 upon x minus 1 as p and 1 upon y minus 2 as q. Now we have the two equations. First of all, let us write the first equation, and the equation 1 is as 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equals to 2. On rearranging the equations, we get 5 bracket 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 bracket 1 upon y minus 2 is equals to 2. Now putting our assumptions in the given equation, we get 5p plus q is equals to 2. Let it to be the equation number 3. Now we solve the equation number 2. We have the equation number 2 also from equation 2. On writing the equation number 2, as 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equals to 1. Again, separating the variables from the coefficients, we get the equations as follows. Now putting the value, as we get 6p minus 3q is equals to 1, and let it to be the equation number 4. Now we have the two equations as you see on the screen. On solving these two equations by elimination method, in elimination method we have to be equate the coefficients of one of the variable, and here we equate the coefficient of q. As we multiply by 3 in equation number 3, we get 5 3 is 15p plus 3 1 is 3q is equal to 3 2 is 6, and equation number 4 is 6p minus 3q is equals to 1. Now on adding, 3q cancel with 3q, 15 plus 6 is 21p and 6 plus 1 is 7. Now 21p is equals to 7, and the value of p is 7 upon 21. After cutting the value of 7 with 21, we get 1 upon 3. So the value of p comes out to be the 1 upon 3. Now we have the value of p. On finding the value of q, we have to put the value of p in equation number 4. On writing the equation number 4, 6p minus 3q is equals to 1, and the value of p, you know that we have 1 upon 3. So 6p, it means 1 upon 3 minus 3q is equals to 1. 3 cancel with 6 and we get 2. So 2 minus 3q is equals to 1, and you know that 2 from the left shifted towards right, changing its sign, and minus 3q is equal to 1 minus 2. Or solving, we get the equation minus cancel with minus, and the 3q is equals to 1 and q is equals to 1 upon 3. Now we have the value of p as well as q, but we need the value of x and y. So in order to find the value of x and y, we need our assumptions, and the assumptions are again in your screen, that is 1 upon x minus 1 as p and 1 upon y minus 2 as q. On putting the value of p and q, we get 1 upon x minus 1 as 1 upon 3 and 1 upon y minus 2 as 1 upon 3. As on solving the first condition, again we have to do the reciprocal. On reciprocal, x minus 1 is equals to 3 and x is equals to 3 plus 1, and the value of x is 4. On solving the other condition, again we have to do the reciprocal. Therefore y minus 2 is equals to 3 and y is equals to 3 plus 2, and we have the value of 5. Now after applying the certain conditions, we have the value of x and y, and that is our result. Now in our next video, we solve a question which is on your screen. Till then friends, thank you, bye bye.